Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter file system error, then watch this video for the solutions. There are only two solutions for this folks. We have to run an SFC scan and a check disk scan and then restart the computer. This problem should be fixed. So we will go to command prompt, right click on it, click on run as administrator, and we will enter the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter. Now I'm not pressing enter because this takes quite some time for the scan to run, and just for the sake of keeping the video short and simple, I will delete it and I will input the next command, that is chkdsk space slash f space slash r and press enter. Then I will press on Y and I will press on enter. I am not doing that because, as I told you, it takes quite some time and I want to keep this video short. Then we'll just restart the computer by clicking on the start button, clicking on the power button and clicking on restart, and this system error should no longer show on your computer. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.